Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giovanni Hernandez, and if you guys saw the last video, you guys were able to see that I was able to surprise my girlfriend with a Louis Vuitton bag, and I ended up also picking up something for myself, which is gonna be related to this video. And for this video, we're gonna be basically doing a review of the bag I ended up picking up and doing a little unboxing of it. So let's get down to the unboxing video. You guys, show you guys my recent pickup. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos coming up. So let's get down to the video and unbox the new bag. As you guys know, Louis Vuitton is a luxury brand, and as such they give you their bag in this beautiful orange bag with blue handles, along with the receipt in this beautiful envelope that's a little bit thicker than usual with the receipt inside. We're gonna put it on the side for now. And inside the bag it comes with also an orange box. Like I said, they take care out on the details and the packaging, and this beautiful packaging wrapped with this blue ribbon, which is beautiful. We're gonna take it out and put it on the side completely so we be able to open the box. And inside the box it comes in another bag with this, which is called a dust bag, which prevents obviously from dusting and getting dirt inside the bag, which you can put it on the side later on to basically storage it. And we're gonna open it up to reveal our bag. I'm gonna take it out and check it out. Beautiful. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I was like, I need a green bag, and it fits perfectly. Like I said, Louis Vuitton is a luxury brand, and they take care on their leather goods and the details. As you guys can see, this was inspired a little bit, I believe, in the Minecraft kind of like pixels. It looks really nice, and I wanted a green bag for a little bit, so this was perfectly for me. Inside comes in with the branding, and it's a side pocket inside the bag, as you guys can see. And in the front we open the zipper, and it comes in with an extra space, with an extra bag, and also the tags with the bag that comes with. As you guys can see, we're gonna put it back inside. And the zippers and some of the hardware, even though it looks like metal or like a chain metal, they're made out of plastic. Really good details on that. And look at that leather strap. I love the color green on that leather strap, and the aesthetic of the bag is fantastic. I love the pixel that wraps all around the bag, and essentially that's the reason why I ended up picking up, even though it's a little expensive. I think for me it was a good buy, as you guys can see. And that's it. There you guys have it. And there you have it, guys. Drop down in the comments below if you guys ended up liking the bag, what you guys think about the bag. Drop down your comments down below, and if you ended up enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as that helps a lot to boost out the algorithm and push out the content. Now again, thank you guys for watching. My name was Giovanni Hernandez, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.